Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's kitchen, and today I am looking at a bag of Chainy Root. Now I don't know the scientific name. I was just given this from my friend and he says, listen, this is called Chainy Root. You're gonna boil this and use it to make tea. So I thought to myself, I said, self, why not do one up? Why not pair this with some pineapple skins and make a nice pineapple skin Chainy Root and ginger drink? Yes man, you know Yardie do it already. We have to take it to another level. So here I have a beautiful ripe pineapple and I am gonna do the next best thing. You want to start out by washing and cleaning your pineapple. I have a kitchen brush and I am washing my pineapple. I did use a little vinegar and now I'm just rinsing it off, and make sure that you scrub it properly to get out all the debris and everything else, because guess what, you are gonna boil this skin. Okay, so that's the most important aspect to this, and the video is very simple guys. We're gonna just wash our pineapple and then we're gonna cut it up, as simple as that. And I want to cut my pineapple guys. I start by taking off the bottom. I don't use the bottom of the pineapple at all, and I don't use the top where the seeds where the leaves are. All right, so we put those aside, and then you want to just simply cut your pineapple, taking off the skins, making sure that whatever you remove from the pineapple at this stage, it is usable. All right, so once you have taken the bottom off and the top off, whatever else is usable, and just search the pineapple for blemishes. If there's any blemish on the pineapple, overripeness or anything like that, you want to also include those areas in the juice. Remember guys, this juice requires only the skin, and so we're gonna use the fruit of the pineapple and prepare that and have it as normal. We also take out the middle piece of the pineapple, or the vein or the heart, or whatever you call it, that middle piece that is usually tough and fibrous. We usually take that and use it as well. So here I am cutting my pineapple, getting rid of that blemish spot that I have there. Maybe it got squeezed in shipping or whatever, and so you're taking that out. And I'm also taking out that middle piece, that vein, that fork, whatever, I don't know what you call it. And I'm gonna add everything here in this bowl is gonna be placed into my boiling water, and it's gonna be used. For the rest of the fruit, we normally cut it up like such and just put it in the fridge and have it on a regular basis. I'm also using a bunch of ginger guys, and trust me, you want to wash your ginger, make sure it's clean, and cut it up. And then I'm using some Chainy Root. I have maybe about 6 pieces of the Chainy Root there. All of this guys, we are gonna dump into a pot of boiling water, and we're gonna allow this to boil and steep for about 30 to 40 minutes. And we just add our ginger and our Chainy Root to it. I'm also gonna be adding some spices to make this nice, because you know it got ready, right? You have to spice up your thing, man. So I add the Chainy Root and my ginger, and then the next thing I'm gonna add is my cardamom. Yes guys, I've been loving the use of cardamom in recent videos. Cardamom does add a nice flavor to the dish and makes it, it just have this medicinal flavor, and I'm not sure what the benefits of cardamom are. I need to look them up, but yeah. I'm also gonna add 2 lemon that I've already squeezed the juice from. I'm just gonna add the skins of the lemon and allow this to boil. After this has boiled guys for about 30 to 40 minutes, you want to leave it overnight for it to steep. Yes man, leave it and don't trouble it. Just leave it there, it will cool and all the flavors will gel, everything will blend, and then the drink is literally finished. Yes, see how it look now? The lime and I mean the house smells amazing, guys. You would not believe how good this smells. It smells like you're making an elixir. Yes, trust me. And so this is gonna remain on the stove overnight, and I'm gonna add a little bit more water just to make it, you know, nice and you know, make it can serve. All right. So you're just gonna allow this to happen for that period of time, and then you're gonna move to the next level. So here I have my juice, guys. I just put it in a bottle, and I'm using some lime, fresh lime, honey, and I also have some coconut sugar. Now the coconut sugar is very, very good, guys. It's better than the regular sugar because it's low glycemic, and you know, it does not spike your blood sugar. And guys, you don't have to sweeten it. You can do it just as you want it. You can have it without the sugar, but I like to add a little bit of honey to mine, and I'm using, as I said, the coconut sugar. You want to squeeze your lime. Make sure you get your lime in there, and guys, I promise you want to enjoy this drink cold and nice. Once again, every time that you know, get your pineapple, think of creative ways of mixing it and making it happen. You can use iced tea, you can use regular tea bag, English tea, but for me the Chainy Root is a good idea, and it's also, I hear, Jamaican folklore, it's good for you. So guys, once again, remember to join me in the kitchen for another one of my crazy mix-up juices. It's been Yardie Belly Taste Buds. Remember, Tony Hannah make fashion. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to join us every day on Yardie Belly TV. Peace and love.